Hello, in this video we will see how can we generate OTP using number formatter. So we'll go to add automation app, search number formatter here, then we will select random number generator. Here we'll have to set a minimum and maximum value for the number that will be generated. So I am taking 1000 to 9999 here. I will run and save this. Now in the next step I will save this under the head OTP. Now we will send a template message to admin or the registered number we have, and in the next step we can ask the user to enter OTP. So as soon as the user enters OTP, we can set up a filter here and check if the OTP is valid or not. So the first filter will be OTP valid, and my condition here can be last text input is equal to OTP, and I will save this. If this is equal, then I can continue my flow ahead, and then I can set another filter here and check if the OTP is invalid. So here the filter will be OTP invalid and condition is last text input is not equal to OTP.